This is Pioneer's DEH-S6220BS. This is an in-1-DIN AM/FM CD receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The DEH-S6220BS is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the DEH-S6220BS features a 31-band EQ. The DEH-S6220BS is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC music files from a USB flash drive, and it works with Sirius XM satellite radio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right. We'll pop this open, and the first thing we get here is the electrical wire harness. So we'll use the wire harness here to make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle, connections like power and ground and speaker connections and so forth, all done through that. Next up is the some install screws and some 1-DIN radio removal tools. Got a bag of those. And then we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is to use to make hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. And it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. And let's lift up the flap here. And under the flap, we have the Quick Start Guide. There's the Quick Start Guide. And please note that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right to your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. All right, there's the warranty card. Okay, let's get the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the DEH-S6220BS has the large rotary volume knob right here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite compatible nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. Use this button to make and receive hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. The radio station presets are across the bottom here. The CD slot is across the top. The auxiliary input is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. And the system features multicolor illumination. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the DEH-S6220BS, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer DEH-S6220BS has a built-in amplifier designed to power up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. The one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 3 sets of 4-volt Rca outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer outputs, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low outputs. And that is Pioneer's DEH-S6220BS. And what's in the box?